If you're looking to unlock the graphics settings in Overwatch 2 for a better gaming experience, follow these simple steps. This guide will help you adjust your settings quickly and efficiently. Step 1. Access the game settings. Launch Overwatch 2 and navigate to the main menu. Click on the gear icon to open the settings menu where you can adjust various game options. Step 2. Select graphics settings. In the settings menu, find and select the graphics tab. This section contains all the visual settings that can be adjusted to enhance your gameplay experience. Step 3. Adjust graphics quality. Look for the graphics quality option. You can choose between different presets such as low, medium, high, or ultra. Select the one that best suits your hardware capabilities and personal preference. Step 4. Enable advanced settings. If available, enable the advanced settings option. This will unlock additional graphics features such as resolution scaling, texture quality, and shadow details, allowing for more customization. Step 5. Save and apply changes. After making your desired adjustments, be sure to click the apply button to save your changes. Exit the settings menu and start a game to see how the new graphics settings affect your gameplay. By following these steps, you can easily unlock and customize the graphics settings in Overwatch 2 for an improved gaming experience. Enjoy your game.